Yo, what's up everyone? Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. It's me again, Bean Acer, nagbabalik. Gusto ko lang kayong imbitahan sa ating paparating na tattoo event this coming March 2. Saturday na po yan. Sana po ay suportahan nyo at lahukan ang paparating na event na ito. This is not a tattoo competition, tattoo event. This coming March 2, Saturday, organized by Twippy. Ayan. Makakasama natin bilang mga hurado si Sir Abel Salen, Sir Pat Perez, Sir Jay Collis, Sir MK Figuracion, and si Ma'am Kat Valaria. At makakasama nyo rin po ako dyan bilang host ng event na yan. At makakasama rin natin bilang sponsor ang OS Tattoo Supplies and Black Magic Tattoo Products. Again, this is not a tattoo competition, tattoo event. This coming Saturday, March 2. Magkita-kita po tayo dyan. Ito po ay gaganapin sa Barangay Kalawaan, Covered Court, Pasig City. Again, this is not a tattoo competition.